collar right now, frayed blue nylon, cracked old tag. He's snoring on the couch while I scroll through the noise, heart in my throat from another red flag. Every swipe feels like I'm getting more hollow. Every ad says what I ain't got yet. They counting what I click, what I fear, what I follow, while I'm missing this muddy-pawed blessing I missed. That's the old economy, where every time I scroll they tally what I owe. My data, my attention, my peace on the line, and my joy getting sold for a show. But there's a gold collar grace on the way for me, where the counting's all about the growth. Every time my buddy helps me breathe again, he's crediting my weary soul. Gold collar gospel, new legacy, dream dead rolling on home, yeah. He drags my phone hand toward the back door handle, tennis ball grin like come outside. Come on, sunset sermon shining through the pine tree handles, crickets start a choir on the countryside. I feel the change so that feet fall quiet when I throw that ball and watch him run. That's rescue reserve, that heaven sent pilot, turning doom into a day hard won. That's the new economy, where every laugh I got is a line in the code. Every muddy paw print on this old porch step is a credit to our family load. Gold collar keeping count of the calm we find, every tail chase, every bedtime dose. My dog's got clout in the kingdom of small things, he's a ledger full of grace that grows. Gold collar gospel, new legacy, dream dead rolling on home, yeah. Lord, I've been feeding my fear, not my faith, but you wired in a rescue I ignored. Tiny little preacher with a wagging tail, pulling me back to what I'm living for. So bless this house with a wiser kind of treasure, supplements for the heart and the home, for the AI and the wise, for my kids, for my phone life. Teach us how to guard what we own. From the old economy, where every time I scroll they tally what I owe, to the rescue reserve, that upside down mercy where gratitude's the
To update my economy.
collar on my four-legged counselor, counting every
The love of wins starts at home.